Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Got some new mods to put on the BMW today. Ones I'm excited about actually. It'll transform the look of the car a lot. So I bought some headlights. They've got the halos on, LED headlights, LED indicators. I think it'll just transform the front of the car a little bit, make it a little bit more aggressive. Just doing odd bits at the minute, just doing what I can. But yeah, I'm going to try and do a little, I don't know, like a how-to when I haven't really got a clue on what I'm going to do. I know you got to take the bumper off, but we'll see how it goes. I'll show you like little step by steps. I'll show you what I need to take off, what you need to, the best way to go about it. Really, I've done a little bit of research, but you'll have to bear with us on that one. So yeah, this is just the intro. We'll get to the, we'll do the how-to installing them, and then we'll have a little cinematic at the end, show what they look like. Car's a little bit minging at the minute, so you'll have to bear with us, but hopefully get it clean tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you in the how-to. Arch-liner's out now. Didn't need to take the wheel off, I thought I did, but you don't. Just be super agile with a ratchet and you'll be alright. Loads of little bolts to take out, 8mm. Make sure take them top ones out, and then you adjust that. Well, I didn't even know. Some bloke when I watched the video said that you had to take them out, take a picture of them for the adjustments, but they didn't move when I took them out, like, so I haven't a clue. But yeah, I'm going to try and get the black bolts now, because there's a bolt right at the back of the headlight, and if you can see from up here. Yeah, try and get that out, and then hopefully, actually no, I need to drop the bumper first. So there's loads of little screws on the bottom of the bumper, get them out, and you'll be good to go. Them two will come out as well. Like, that's a bracket, it was just down the side there, you can see the little clips there. Pull them out, the one at the back of the headlight should drop down. Let me just try and get the headlight out now. So these have a little bracket holder that the headlight actually sits in, so I'll pull the whole bracket out. So if you take these out, you'll be able to get the new headlight straight in. That light out wasn't too hard because I learnt on the other one, to be fair. I can't even move the bumper, like, drifts back. Yeah. There's that other light in. Don't worry, I've turned them on, make sure they work. But I want to show that for the cinematics of what it looks like. Yeah, getting there slowly but surely. 100 times better them, like indicators aren't on, like it's just LEDs, that's why it's fluctuates. So yeah, I had to take it,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I had to wait till the next day because the weather was better to get some cinematics and film the outro, because yesterday it just didn't stop raining, it was relentless. I got as much footage as I can of taking the bumper off and doing the lights, but it's just stressing us out, so I decided not to do a step-by-step guide on how to take a bumper off and change the headlights. But I did get as much as possible, so if there's anybody that is interested in doing that kind of stuff on their 3 Series, give us a message and I will try and help as much as I can. But yeah, we're moving pretty quickly on the BMW build now. Like I'm pretty happy with the outcomes of the window tints being done, the heck was being put on, the lights made a massive difference. I am really starting to enjoy like doing content on this car. I need some new wheels, that's a must. Some coilovers, I want to get a sun strip made, but I am planning my own car brand, so I want to try, and the sun strip I want is going to be obviously the logo of the car brand. It's me and my friends looking into just doing the designs and stuff, so we're looking to kick that off again. Need to put some more into that. Exhaust remap needs doing, I don't know if I've just said that. Roof needs wrapping. Yeah, we're kicking on with this, like really enjoy doing the build. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Just trying to blast the content out. I know it's not every week like I wish it was, but we'll get there. We'll go bigger. We've now hit 100 subscribers. I'm going to dedicate another video to that, for that, because I want to do a giveaway, but I want to see what I can give away first. If like I can get some companies on board or just someone to help us out with a giveaway, then that'll be fantastic. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like, subscribe, follow my Insta, comment how I'm getting on. We'll do the giveaway in the next video. I'll do a dedication video to that. So yeah, thanks very much. See you in the next one.